Hello and welcome everyone to another easy way video where I'm going to teach you how you can get CrunchyRoll for free. You might have seen some videos on YouTube that say that you have to go to a website to get a coupon, but those are very fake actually. The only way today to have the CrunchyRoll for free is going to try free premium. So here you will be able to pick whatever plan you want of premium and have for 7 days. Okay, but what happens if the 7 days pass and I want to watch anime again? Well, let me tell you that you need to get some debit cards. So, for example, you can go to a lot of websites that give you debit card and start using as free trial those debit cards in a new account each time. But actually, Crunchyroll is very cheap, so if you want to buy it, do it. I encourage you to buy Crunchyroll because it's very good application to watch anime, and even if you don't have premium you will be able to watch anime except for the new ones, for example Tower of God and the new season, because it's new, but in a few months we'll be able to watch for free. So if this video was useful for you, please comment, share, like, subscribe, and see you in another easy way video. Goodbye.